Hello, welcome to my channel. Today, I am going to tell you how to apply for a piaic program. Type piaic org. Click on Available Programs. Here, you can see list of programmed artificial intelligence, cloud native, and mobile web computing, blockchain, and Internet of Things. Click on the button, Apply. Now, you will be directed to a new window. If you are new member, then sign up, enter your CNIC number, your email, ID, and password, then click on Sign Up. After sign up, you will receive a verification email from piaic. Open that email, then click on the link, and you will be directed to the piaic student portal. Sign in the portal. Check the new available course, and select your relevant course. If you are interested in Internet of Things course, then click on Online Platform, and press Apply. Now you have successfully applied for the course. Select the Open Portal button of your relevant course. Then select the payment option. Click on Quarter 1. Select the learning method, online or on-site. Click on Create option. Then select the Agree option. Now piaic will allot you your ID card. You can again check your payment option, and it will show that you already paid your fee of Quarter 1. Now, click on Online Lecture option and start taking your online lectures.